Hi guys, today we went to the store, Target, and we bought some stuff and we just wanted to show you what we bought. We got some bug spray for Matthew's school on Monday that Mommy and I are so excited for him to go. Because he needs school. Monday! And then we got him some water shoes for water play at school for Monday. And then we got his sister a notebook for her summer reading that she's gonna start reading, hopefully. And then Mommy got some Starbucks coffee. And show them what Matthew got.
Orion egg.
Please open it up. Orion World egg. What's inside the egg? You have to find out. So Matthew got Orion World egg and he's gonna open up to see what he got. Go ahead, buddy.
Now I'm gonna open it. Okay. So this what I got. Wait, I
Need
got.
help?
Sorry.
You got it?
Oh, I think I see something. And this tape.
Oh, let me see. Here, go ahead.
Okay, so
No, you have to go down. So there's that. There you go. There you go.
okay, so I'm gonna open it.
Wow, you're strong. Open it up. What's inside?
Oh wait!
Show them everything that you got.
So I got this. So
You gotta open it up. Show them what you got. Need help? You strong enough?
Yeah.
Need help? There you go. What's in there? What's in that one? Is it Scuba Ryan?
Yeah.
Show the camera.
Got this one. Oh, let's open this big surprise.
Okay.
Big surprise.
Yeah, open it up.
Oh, Belchie! Ryan World!
Yeah, get it. Pull it
Ryan
up.
World blanket!
Wow. Let me open it up for you?
Yeah.
Oh, it's got ties and stuff. Oh, let's see. Here.
We're tightening the can't.
See here. Go like this. We're gonna open it together so they can see. Here. Go like that.
Oh my god, my pockets! My back. Come on, see what
It's a cool towel for bath time.
And can you open this?
Sure. You got a couple more surprises. Here. What is that? What is it? Oh, it's like a pencil bag or something. See? You put pencils in here, crayons in here, markers in here.
This one's so cool.
This one.
Should I get it?
Let's see. What's this? Oh, it's a beach ball. I have to poppy blow this up because I don't have the wind in me. Yeah, it's a beach ball. See? Orion World Beach Ball.
And this. What's in this?
Oh, let's see. This is the last one. Oh, it's a mask. Put on the mask. There, can I help you?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh,
There you go. Show the camera. Wait, gotta keep it on. Show everybody. So, what do you think, Matthew? You like all your surprises? Just have that poppy blow up the beach ball so we can play in the pool.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, say bye to everybody.
Wait, and you know Walmart did the big giant Ryan World treasure chest?
What's that?
You know do the Walmart big Ryan World treasure chest?
Yeah, we'll get that next time, okay, buddy? Alright, alright, say bye to everyone. Bye, thank you for watching.
Wait, can I bring this in the pool?
Sure, say bye. Say
Bye.
Say bye, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye.
We going in the boat.
Look, he's ready to go. Look at the towel. Matthew, show them the towel. Look,
Ready for
this
school,
towel,
Matthew?
Ryan go,
to
Daddy?
school?
Wanna go to
Can I
school?
go to school?
Sarah, do you wanna go to school?
Sarah, you wanna go to school?
No!
I wanna go to school.
I'm touching.
Math, show them your
fair.
sister.
It's not fair. I wanna
Look
go
at
to
your
school.
sister.
I'm not touching.
Hey guys, today is the first day of school for Matthew since February. We're gonna wake him up and we're gonna get all excited, and it's gonna be a good day because he gets to see his friends, and yeah, it's gonna be fun for him today. Matthew, time for school. Time for school. Wake up. Matthew. Matthew. Matthew, time for school. Matthew, wake up. Say hi to everybody. Time to school. Everyone's here. Matthew, say hi to everybody. It's time for school. Come on. Get up. Time for school. See all your friends. Come on. See Miss Elizabeth. See all your friends. Come on. Get up. Time for school. Come on. Get up. Get up. Time for school. Come on. Come on, get up. Time for school. Matthew, get up. Time for school. You're gonna fall off the bed, Matthew. Matthew, time for school. Time for school. And then there he goes. We'll get him up. Come on, Matthew. Time for school. You can see all your friends. Daddy gets peace. Time for school.
There he is.
First time since February. He's going to school. Daddy's so excited. I don't know who's more excited, Daddy or Matthew. Matthew excited?
He's scratching his back.
Yeah. Let's go. Mommy, you so excited for today?
Yeah, it's school, it's school. After 4 months, it's school, it's school, it's school.
What's wrong, Matthew? You excited? Mommy's sure excited. First day of school in 4 months. We are so excited. We love you, but you are kind of annoying, Matthew. And we do love you, but school.
You guys are annoying.
School.
Well, you tell Hudson we said happy birthday, okay? I definitely will. I didn't know that Duncan did numbers in the shape of the donuts in the shape of numbers. Really?
Yeah.
I remember that playground.
Before they banned
Yeah,
from
go to
school,
school.
I used to order them
4 months since you've been here.
every year.
It's so sad that
Daddy,
you want me to
look.
my house for my birthday.
Guys, it says close for business.
Danielle, you're
Okay, perfect. Now the mask is not required. Do you want him to wear it? Do you want me to? There's his bin. And he is awesome. Here, I'll close it for you. I don't want you to cut your fingers. Oh, you're big. You're smart. Matthew, how are you? All right, we're gonna come wash
Bye,
your-
Matthew.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon. Love you.
See you.
Just dropped Matthew off. And time to go home and enjoy my day because Matthew doesn't let me usually do anything for myself. And he's going to have a good day being with his friends and his teachers and learning and having fun. Matthew, what are you doing?
Paint.
What are you painting?
Ball.
Yeah? What colors are you painting it?
All the different colors.
Let's see.
I'm gonna mix them.
Yeah?
okay with that. I gotta go. Wednesday, I'll get it.
Look, everyone, look. I use blue and black, and then turn into silver black.
Move the bucket. Show them. Matthew, move the bucket. There you go.
Yeah, and mommy got me water. I forget what it's for.
It's to help make the paint go on the ball. Yeah, activates it, yeah.
And I'm going to use water. And we have to wait for it to dry.
Okay, you having fun? Alright, say goodbye to everybody.
Wait a little bit
Did-
more.
Did you have fun in school today, by the way?
Yeah,
Did you miss mommy and daddy?
yeah,
You have fun with your friends?
yeah.
Yeah? Can't wait to go tomorrow?
Wait, I want to show you something.
What?
Come closer. Come
What?
closer to this one. So I'm going to do this one, and 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 this one. And I mix them together. What color is it?
I don't know. It's a lot of colors.
It's silver.
So you can't wait to go to school tomorrow again?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Silver is green.
Yeah? Alright, say goodbye to everybody.
Bye. Oh, look! It turned to silver!
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, say see you next time. Subscribe to our channel.